If you routinely need to perform tasks such as a daily newsletter or a weekly internal notification, you might be using wait workarounds or external schedulers to perform these tasks. We're pleased to announce that to simplify things, we've added the scheduler trigger, enabling you to manage routines internally. Let's check how to use it. Start by creating a new workflow inside the automation section. Click Add Trigger and select Scheduler from the Events options. Set your interval. You can select to set it in an hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly interval, or use a cron expression to specify your desired interval. After entering the details of your schedule, click Check. This will generate the next executions. If they are correct, save your trigger and build your workflow as normal. This trigger allows you to create complex and specific schedules, making it easy to automate recurring tasks, removing the need for external schedulers, workarounds, or manual retriggering. The scheduler trigger starts workflows without a contact. It directly triggers the workflow based on the time set, delivering a native, first-class clock trigger with clear presets and optional cron-style setup. We hope you enjoy it.